Zupora is a family-centric brand. We focus on providing a warm home life for busy people. We believe that the better you can manage cooking or other life chores, the more you can enjoy relaxing and good time with your family. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Making perfect coffee in 20 seconds. The coffee grinder is equipped with a 250 watts powerful motor and stainless steel blades. It takes only 20 seconds to easily and evenly grind coffee beans to perfection, better maintaining the original strong aroma of the coffee beans. Let you enjoy fresh coffee with your family and friends without long waiting. Number 2. Multifunction. The coffee grinder can not only grind coffee beans but also nuts, spices, peppers, grains, etc. The maximum capacity of the coffee machine is 3.53 ounces. 100 grams. Grinding once is equivalent to 15 cups of coffee. Universal grinder. Enjoy a good kitchen life. Number 3. Simple and quiet operation. Just press the automatic buttons of different seconds to perfectly control the grinding accuracy, saving you a lot of unnecessary trouble. But do not operate this equipment continuously for more than 1 minute. The coffee grinder will remain quiet during operation, so whether it is early in the morning or late at night, you can enjoy delicious coffee without making noise. Number 4. High-quality material. The exterior of the coffee grinder is made of high-quality stainless steel. Shock-proof, drop-proof, durable, portable, with a removable stainless steel bowl, easy to clean, one-button coffee grinder. 1-year warranty. Number 5. Double locks ensure safety. The cover of the main machine and the edge of the pressing device of the electric grinder form the first lock, which firmly fixes the cup and the barrel together to form a solid whole. The entire safety device ensures your safety during use. Built-in intelligent overheating protection and high-performance motor housing. Durable and can be used for a long time. Number 6. German kitchen appliance design. German light luxury kitchen appliances design. High-end atmosphere, full of noble quality, using the latest German kitchen mute technology. Compared to other brands, the mute effect is good. Number 7. Pay attention. After working continuously for 1 minute, you must rest for 2 minutes. Take 1 minute of working and rest for 2 minutes as a cycle. After working for 5 consecutive cycles, you must wait for 30 minutes before using it after cooling down. Number 8. Easy to wash. To facilitate cleaning, the cup barrel of this coffee grinder is detachable. You can take out the cup and bucket separately for cleaning, so as not to splash water into the main unit. After cleaning, wipe off the water droplets with a dry cloth. Number 9. Double vents. Air outlets are installed on the sidewall and bottom of the coffee grinder to facilitate heat dissipation when the grinder is working and protect the grinder from damage. When in use, do not block the air outlet. Number 10. Strong stability. The coffee grinder is equipped with 4 non-slip silicone support feet, which effectively prevents the grinder from sliding and ensures the safety of the grinder when in use. You can place the grinder wherever you want, and so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. What is the power voltage of this grinder? Answer. The coffee grinder is 220 volts, 50 Hz, 300 watts. Question number 2. Will it make sugar into powdered sugar? Answer. You need to break the rock candy into small pieces, not too big, and then don't put too much at a time. About 50 grams. An electric coffee grinder can grind ice cubes. Question number 3. Can I use it grind fine for espresso? Answer. Carrion coffee bean grinder was originally designed to facilitate customers to grind coffee beans and provide customers with mellow espresso. Therefore, it can be used to grind into strong coffee, and it is very convenient and fast to use. You can trust it. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.